What's up, you guys? It's your girl akeyachic. Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an empty bedroom tour of a student apartment in North Carolina ENT. This is Sebastian Villages. My apartment came fully furnished. I had to pay $40 a month, but it comes with a desk, a bed, a dresser, and a nightstand. Just an overview of what everything looks like. The dresser was pretty nice. It did come with a little smell. I don't know if that was from the wood or whatever, but yeah. So this is what it looks like. I stay in a 2-bedroom. I don't know if I said that earlier, but yeah. Put the floor plan that I have listed down below. I can't think of it right off the top of my head. The closet is pretty nice. It has a little shelf at the top where you can put shoes or extra storage. It's pretty big. I could fit all my stuff in there. The bathroom. The bathroom wasn't the best for me. I didn't like the sink. I wish I would have storage space at the bottom for below the sink. That's me. What's up? It's your girl. But everything else was pretty nice. The shower hole came broken, so my parents had to buy me a new one. So I know he may look comfortable on this bed, but those mattresses are hard as a rock, so you're definitely going to need a nice mattress pad. Just keep that in mind if you're trying to buy their furniture. The desk served its purpose. The chair is really rocky. I definitely fell off that chair multiple times. But this is the closet space once again. I store my shoes, boxes up there. That's enough space if you have like a lot of luggage and storage. But I'm just showing you guys the bathroom once again, making sure I didn't miss anything. I wanted to do a full apartment tour, but I found out my roommate was moving out too, and all of her stuff was in the living room, so I didn't want to record none of that. But this is the end of the video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions, you want to hear about my experience. I definitely had some roommate troubles, so if you want the tea on that, definitely, comment below or something. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.